fam, let's take 10 minutes to connect, stretch, and activate our bodies for the day ahead. This routine is perfect for grounding yourself, easing tension, and creating fluidity in your spine and hips. Whether you're at home, outside on a grassy field, or even at the gym, all you need is a mat or soft surface. Each stretch will ease you into movement, unlocking flexibility one step at a time. Ready to reset and feel unstoppable? Let's hit the mat. Let's begin with something simple, but oh, so effective: wrist rolls. Think of this as your body's way of saying, "Good morning, let's get moving." Extend your arms forward at shoulder height, making slow, deliberate circles with your wrists. Start rolling outward, feeling every movement loosen the joints. At the halfway mark, reverse the direction, creating those inward circles. I promise you, this gentle motion prepares your wrists for all the day's activities, from lifting to typing, while improving blood flow to the joints. If you feel any tightness, slow down your movements or perform the rolls with your arms resting at your sides. Next, let's loosen the neck, where tension loves to hide. Imagine unraveling the knots one gentle roll at a time. Drop your chin towards your chest and slowly roll your head to one side, letting your ear move towards your shoulder. Continue the circle toward the back and around to the other side. After 15 seconds, reverse the direction. This releases tension in your neck and shoulders, increases blood flow, and enhances mobility. Skip the full circle if you feel any strain. Instead, gently tilt your head side to side or forward and back. Now, let's give your spine a well-deserved stretch. Imagine wringing out all that tension like a sponge. Sit cross-legged with your spine tall. Place your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind you for support. Take a deep breath in to elongate your spine. Then exhale as you twist gently to the left, deepening the twist with each exhale. Switch sides and repeat. This twist is incredible for spinal flexibility, improving posture, and stimulating circulation through your torso. I promise you, you will understand what I mean by the end of this routine. If sitting cross-legged feels tight, extend your legs forward slightly, or sit on a cushion for extra support. Let's flow through the spine now, waking it up with gentle waves. Each movement is like a massage for your back. Start on all fours with your wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the ceiling for cow. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and pelvis for cat. Flow between these two motions with your breath. The stretch is going to increase spinal flexibility, improve your posture, and gently activate your core. If the wrists feel tight, make fists or place a cushion under them for support. Now let's combine grounding and energizing in one dynamic movement. Think of this as a reset for the whole body. Sit back into child's pose. Knees wide, arms reaching forward, and forehead resting on the mat. Inhale as you glide forward, lowering your hips and lifting your chest into Cobra Stretch. Exhale as you flow back into child's pose. Move steadily, finding your rhythm. This stretch lengthens the spine, opens the chest, and increases flexibility in your hips and shoulders. Keep your hips lifted in Cobra if you feel tightness in your lower back. Fam, it's time to release all that pent-up tightness in the hips, our powerhouses for movement. Let's unlock them together. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Ground your left knee on the mat and place your hands beside your foot or rest them on your thigh for support. Let your hips sink gently forward while keeping your spine long and your chest open. Hold steady for 1 minute and breathe deeply. This stretch deeply targets your hip flexors, helping to increase mobility and reduce tension. It's perfect for easing tightness from sitting or high-impact activities. If reaching the floor feels too intense, place your hands on a block or sturdy surface. For an extra challenge, tuck your back toes and lift your knee off the mat. Now let's add a twist to open your spine and chest while deepening that glorious hip stretch. Picture your body waking up layer by layer. From the low lunge position, plant your left hand on the mat next to your right foot. Inhale as you twist your torso to the right, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Keep your hips steady and let your gaze follow your hand. Hold here for 1 minute, breathing deeply into the rotation. This movement stretches your spine, opens your shoulders, and enhances your hip mobility. It's a fantastic way to improve flexibility and posture. If reaching the floor feels challenging, place your left hand on a block. For a deeper stretch, press through your back toes and lift your knee off the mat. Alright fam, let's balance things out and give the left side the attention it deserves. Think of this as your reset button for the hips. Step your left foot forward into a low lunge. Ground your right knee and let your hips sink forward naturally. Keep your spine long and your chest open. Place your hands on the mat, a block, or your thigh for support. Hold steady for 1 minute and breathe deeply. This stretch releases tension in the hip flexors and quads, improving mobility and reducing discomfort from prolonged sitting or standing. If you need extra support, well, you can use blocks under your hands. If you're feeling adventurous, tuck your back toes and lift your knee off the mat for an added challenge. Now let's twist and release the left side, creating balance and ease across your body. Each rotation is like wringing out tension from head to toe. From the low lunge, plant your right hand on the mat next to your left foot. Inhale deeply, then twist your torso to the left, reaching your left arm toward the sky. Keep your hips steady as you rotate and let your gaze follow your hand. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. The stretch enhances spinal flexibility, opens up your chest and shoulders, and deepens the hip stretch, leaving you feeling balanced and rejuvenated. If you can't reach the floor comfortably, use a block under your right hand. For an extra challenge, lift your back knee and press to your toes. Let's finish with a gentle stretch for your lower back and core. Imagine this as your body's way of saying thank you. Lie on your stomach, placing your forearms flat on the mat with your elbows under your shoulders. Press gently through your palms and forearms to lift your chest while keeping your lower body relaxed. Breathe deeply as you hold this position for 1 minute. Sphinx Pose stretches your lower back, strengthens your core, and promotes spinal flexibility. It's the perfect cool down to ease tension and improve posture. If you feel strain in your lower back, move your elbows slightly forward to reduce the intensity. For more depth, gently press through your palms and lift your chest higher. Beautiful work, fam. In just 10 minutes, you've activated your spine, unlocked your hips, and created balance throughout your body. If you're feeling great, smash that subscribe button and join the fam for more quick and effective routines. If you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, check out the link in the description for a free customizable fitness program packed with everything you need to stay strong, flexible, and energized. Keep moving, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!